How much cement will be required to cast a slab? We have used a very simple method. Friends, first of all, you should have the basic dimensions of the slab. You can see the dimensions of slab here. By utilizing these dimensions, we will calculate out the total value of how much volume of concrete we have to pour. We have multiplied length, width, and height. We calculated the total volume. This volume will be called wet volume of concrete, but because we have to find out the quantity of cement and we get cement in dry form, so we have to convert this volume into dry cement value. Friends, we have multiplied it by 1.54 to convert it. We have multiplied it by 1.54 because after applying water to the dry concrete mix, the volume of the dry concrete mix is reduced by about 54%, which is equal to 1.54. So we need 1.5 cubic meters of dry mix to get 1 cubic meter of wet mix concrete. Now, you have got the quantity that you see here, but which grade of concrete we will use? If you are liking this video, don't forget to subscribe. Moving forward, we have used M20 grade concrete. If we sum up the given ratio, the total will be 5.5. But how much is cement in it? Cement is only one part in it, so 1. Divide by 5.5. Multiply total volume of concrete. Here we got the volume of cement, but cement is not found in volume, cement is in kilograms. So here we have multiplied the density of cement, which is 1,440 kilograms per meter cube, with volume of cement. But cement is generally in 50 kilograms bag. So how many bags will be required? We will simply divide it on 50. Here you will get that answer. There are many other methods to calculate it, but it was the easy one. Save this video for future. See you in the next video. Bye bye.